This video will show you how to use the backup and restore database functions in the iOS Luminalayer app. By going into Backup Data, we'll be brought into the Backup Database menu. At the lower left-hand corner, we have Create New Backup. When I select that, it'll ask us to create a name. I will call this Backup Initial. And then select OK. Now what we can do is that backs up all of the info that we have in this app into one file. At the lower right hand corner, you can hit Send Email. And when we select this option, we can select which file, which database backup we would like to select. And when we select that, we can hit Send Backup Database. Do you want to send this file, backup file, via email? We can select OK. And this will open up our email page. And then you can type in an email address in the To section. And you can send it to whoever you please. And the subject is Send Database Backup by default, and this will send the file to whoever you send it to via email from your Apple account that is tied to this device. If you do not have an account tied to your iOS device, this function will not work. So you have to have an account tied to your device in order for this to work. I will hit cancel out of this function, and delete the draft. We strongly recommend that you do save the backup file on a separate storage device, just in case the app is to ever accidentally be deleted. The file will still be able to be loaded back in to the device or any other iOS device that you have. So by going back to the main menu, we can go down to Restore Data. Let's say some lights got deleted and we want to bring those back in. So we can select our backup initial file, and it'll ask us if we want to load the database. Now when we do this, the current data that is on the device now will be erased and replaced with this information that is in that backup file. We can hit OK, and it will load the database into the device and into the app. And then you can continue off from where you left off when you created the backup. You can also, in the lower left-hand corner of Restore Backup, you can clear the existing data. So say you had extra lights that were added, or the file that you had on your device now had errors in it, you can clear that data and wipe the device and the app clean. It will not get rid of your backup files though. So now that we've wiped it, we could even reload the database back in.